Welcome to this tutorial on the PowerShell pipeline. In this video, we'll explore one of the most powerful features of PowerShell, the ability to chain commands together. The pipeline allows you to connect multiple commands in sequence, making your scripts more efficient and your code cleaner. Think of it as an assembly line where the output of one command becomes the input for the next. Let's dive in and see how this works. So what exactly is the pipeline? The pipeline is represented by the vertical bar or pipe symbol. This operator connects commands by passing objects from one command to the next. Unlike traditional command line interfaces that pass plain text, PowerShell's pipeline passes rich objects containing properties and methods. This means each command in the chain receives structured data that it can work with intelligently. The pipeline makes it easy to perform complex operations by breaking them down into simple, connected steps. Let's look at a simple example. The command get-dash process retrieves all running processes on your computer. We can pipe this output to sort dash object CPU to sort those processes by their CPU usage. Notice the pipe symbol connecting these two commands. Get-dash process generates a collection of process objects, and sort-dash object receives those objects and arranges them based on their CPU property. This is a basic example, but it demonstrates the core concept of passing data from one command to another. Here's how the flow works in our example. Command 1 is get-dash process, which retrieves all the running processes. The arrow represents the pipeline operator moving data from left to right. Command 2 is sort-dash object, which receives the process objects and sorts them. Each command performs a specific task, and the pipeline seamlessly transfers the results. This modular approach means you can mix and match commands to achieve exactly what you need without writing complex code. A crucial concept to understand is that PowerShell passes objects, not text. This is fundamentally different from traditional shells. Each object that flows through the pipeline contains properties like name, status, or CPU usage, and methods that can perform actions. Because the data is structured as objects, the receiving command knows exactly what information is available and how to access it. This object-oriented approach makes the pipeline incredibly powerful and flexible compared to text-based pipelines in other shells. You can chain multiple commands together for more sophisticated operations. In this example, get-dash service retrieves all services on your system. We pipe that to where dash object with a filter to select only services where status equals running. Then, we pipe the filtered results to select dash object to display only the name and display name properties. Notice how each command refines the data. First, we get all services, then we filter for running ones, and finally, we select specific properties to display. This is the power of the pipeline in action. The pipeline offers several key benefits. First, efficient processing. Commands in the pipeline process data as it flows without storing everything in memory. Second, cleaner code. Instead of nesting commands or using temporary variables, you write linear, easy-to-read command chains. Third, reusable commands. You can combine existing commands in new ways without writing custom code. And fourth, precise filtering. You can narrow down large datasets step by step to get exactly the information you need. These benefits make the pipeline an essential tool for PowerShell users. Now that you understand the basics of the PowerShell pipeline and how to chain commands together, you're ready to explore more. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into common pipeline commands and work through practical examples that you can use in real-world scenarios. Understanding the pipeline is fundamental to becoming proficient with PowerShell, so make sure you practice these concepts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.